kids will pick on me because of my weight, and like they'll call me ugly or like stupid or idiot, but but I don't really listen to them because you know what? I know that I'm beautiful and I know that I am who I am.
I don't know a single friend who hasn't been bullied at some point in their life for being too tall, too short, too fat.
And he slapped me across the face, and by that time I was crying because it hurt. And he kept slapping me across the face, probably about 15 to 20 times. And I noticed that there was a huge circle of people standing around and no one spoke up.
I've been bullied a long time. It's because I'm a tomboy and I wear guy clothes. A lot of people think that I like the same gender when I don't, and they like to mess with me about that. Some people just think I'm different because I don't do girly things, and they think it's cool to mess with me, and they try to boost themselves up when I'm getting knocked down.
A lot of my friends, like way too many of them, have had at least one like really bad bullying experience. And it's just a terrible thing to go through, and I've just seen them go through that. It just breaks my heart.
People would try to see more of the chair than me as a person. It was kind of more like, well, he's different than us. He seems like an easy target. Let's pick on him.
I feel like it's the attention they get. I feel like most of them like the attention. They like having other people like around them saying like, yeah, like be mean to her, like they think it's funny. And some people just do it maybe because that's how they get their anger out.
So when I bullied other people, I felt a lot better about myself because I didn't feel so, weak or powerless. When I finally let that go and actually apologized, I felt, so much better. I didn't feel like I had to hold on to this hate anymore.
There's always a reason that they're bullying someone. It's either because they're being bullied at home or because for some reason they just maybe even think it's fun, which is wrong. There's something going on up there in their brain. I personally think that it's people that don't feel good about themselves and they want to take it out on other people to make other people feel the same way that they do.
A lot of that pain that you feel can be washed away if you just trade it out for some encouragement and positivity.
Put yourself in their shoes. How would you like it? How would you feel if this was happening to you every single day, every other day, however many times a day or whatever it was, the frequency? How would you feel? You're gonna like it, or are you gonna be okay with it? Is it gonna make you happy? Probably not. So why would you want to make somebody else feel that way?
So we need to understand that what we're doing on social media translates into the real world, and this is how we're raising our children to be that way and to not care about people's feelings or that their words and actions don't have consequences. They do.
We have to be good role models in that sense. And I try to do that at school as a teacher too. I really try to foster respect and empathy in my classroom all the time, and I think parents need to do that also.
If you're watching somebody get bullied, don't be a bystander. Just go up and say, hey, back off.
I recognized somebody's bullying and I stepped up to the plate and said, don't do that. If everybody thought that way, it'd be a lot less of it occurring.
To me, it's just making sure everybody has a friend, someone to lean on, someone to care for them. When they're feeling down or when they're feeling happy, someone to celebrate with. Just having a friend to be with them.
We just need to stand together and stand out against bullying.
Just a simple smile can make someone's day and turn their day around.
If you witness it, you can speak out and stand up for that person. I would go up to them and say, don't do that. That's not very respectful. I really don't know why people would be scared to stop bullying because it's making someone feel bad. I don't know if it impacted me more of what the bully did or what the bystanders did by not speaking up about it. And I've always made it my goal to be the voice for someone who doesn't really have a voice, and then celebrate that person when they find their own voice.